This is my Drewy, and what are you doing? You trying to put your boots on? Whose boots are those?
Daddy's boots.
Those are Daddy's boots, but you told me they fit. You're doing a good job, buddy. I like how you balance. Smart idea. Now, come see Mommy. Can you walk to me? Cheerio! Kaboom! You marching, you marching. Listen to the song. Marching, you marching, you marching, you stop. I'm recording you, buddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Whoa, Rue. You look good in Daddy's boots. Say, Ryland, these boots are made for walking. Huh?
It's just small Ryland.
Hi, Ryland. He smile?
Ryland?
Baby Ryland's gonna smile. Where's the smile? Oh, there's a big smile. Can I see a big, big one? Chubby, chubby? Somebody's getting chubby.
Okay.
Is she getting chubby? Do you want to sit up there with her?
Okay, okay. Okay.
Give her nothing but love. Nothing but love, Rue. Give her kisses. Oh, look at my babies. Give kisses. Oh, I love these two. Uh-oh, be careful. Remember, she's fragile. She's a baby. Can you make her smile, Drew? My little baby Ryland and my little baby Drew. Drew's loving his sister. Can you give a kiss to her? She's smiling at you. She thinks you're funny. Aw, be careful. Oh, you're gonna squish her. Give kisses. Oh, there's my babies. I love you guys.
Ryan.